Good morning, everybody. I'm back with another video. Today I'm making pot roast in my crock pot. There's my potatoes in here, my vegetables, my onion. Move some of this around for you guys. My celery. Okay. Okay. Let me wash my hand, you guys. Okay. I'm going to add my 1 cup of water. And my seasoning pack. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna stir it around and squish it around. So everything can get incorporated. Water. There we go. So we're expecting another beautiful day today. Today the high is, I think, 70 degrees and sunny. Okay, I'm gonna just move everything around back here, make everything stirred up in the gravy. Okay, you guys. Alrighty, you guys. I have it on low. Add my lid. And everything should be good to go. And I'll be back later with the finished product, you guys. Thanks for watching.